In this tutorial, we want to draw this Penrose Impossible Triangle in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So we'll start by just going for our star and polygon tool, and then we will draw a triangle. So go to polygon, choose regular polygon, and then choose the corners for 3. Now go to shift control and draw more or less a polygon like this. This is okay. And then the next thing we will do is that we will select it and then go to edit and then go to duplicate. And then with the duplicate, go to shift control and reduce the size to something like this. Something like this is okay. Now pick the do another duplicate of the smaller triangle. You can do that by just right clicking it and doing a duplicate as well. Place it somewhere here. Now do another duplicate of this. Come and place it somewhere here. I will put my snapping off for now, so that just place it somewhere here. It's okay. Now I do another duplicate and come and place it somewhere here. I mean, it's not necessarily it's exact. I just need something to cut these 3 edges away. So I go to, now with this select, I go to shift and select this and select this as well, and go to path union. Now with that done and with the union selected, go to shift and alt and select as well the bigger triangle behind it, and then go to path difference. Now with this done, the next thing we will do is we want to construct something like some L's that will come somewhere here. So I don't know whether we need guides to help us. Let's bring one guide to help us in case it's difficult for you. Then let's place the guide somewhere here, okay? And then we go and pick our Bezier curves and tool, and then select this option, straight line segments, and start drawing. Come here, draw up to this point, up to where the guide is, and then come here to the end there. Actually, I should have put on the snapping, so would have made my life easier. Anyway, I do this, and then I come here, because the whole thing is that you have to have in your mind you are drawing an L. You see, now I'm drawing the green L, so more or less something like this will work. And then I come in here. Now I forgot to have told you, let's enable snapping. We come here, enable snapping, and then you need snap nodes, paths, and handle, and you need snap to caps nodes, including rectangle corners. Okay, now we draw our next L. We can choose whichever we want. I go for my Bezier tool again, and then maybe we draw the blue L. So come here, and then we move here, extend a bit, and then move to this side, and then continue, because we want to get a closed circuit, so that is an L, so that we can color it, you understand. So this, and then double click. I hope mine, but let me see whether everything is okay. So I already select this and color it some color. I think I color this is this. Let's see, because I stopped a bit, so I'm not very sure whether there was a circle. Oh, it was. So you see, this is the colors I used. Okay, now we are left with this one. This we could have used even the back. We don't need to construct. If we don't want, we can just leave it and color it, but I will draw it. So we come here again, and then we go for our Bezier tool, and then we trace another L. This the snapping helps, you see, because when it gets to the end there, it shows you the color. I think yes. Now I'll select it and then color it yellow. So if you want this triangle here, you can just make it white. You can remove it. We have we have this, and then the bigger triangle as well. You can take the bigger triangle away if you want, so that you have this. You can adjust it a bit in case it did not turn out the way you want, but more or less this is how you can construct your Penrose Impossible Triangle in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and please come again, and please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.